Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we have a dish for you seafood lovers out there. This is a prawn street food dish that originates from Thailand. Fresh prawns are quickly cooked in a fragrant mixture of garlic, chili and lime leaves. And best of all, it can be prepared in around 10 minutes. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need. 225 grams of king prawns, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 bird's eye chilies, 5 kaffir lime leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some oil for frying. Finely chop the garlic and thinly slice the chilies. Fry the garlic, chilies and kaffir lime leaves until the garlic turns a slightly golden color. Pour the mixture on top of some kitchen paper to allow it to cool and go crisp. Then tip the crispy garlic mixture into a bowl and add in the salt and optionally a teaspoon of sugar. Put your pan back onto a high heat and cook the prawns for about 3 minutes until they're cooked. Add the prawns into the garlic mixture and mix thoroughly. Tip it all into your serving plate and enjoy straight away. So that's how you make prawns with garlic and kaffir lime leaves. It's a great dish to make if you want something quick and tasty. Thank you for watching and see you next time.